Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Vista Cancun Golf and Spa Resort. This is a beautiful, modern, brand newly built resort, and you're gonna absolutely love this category. This particular one is a Preferred Club Deluxe Ocean View with a plunge pool. Let me show you what it's all about. So as I enter, just to the right-hand side here, you're gonna have all of your storage. You've got shelves up and down, you've got your safe right here, you have a hair dryer, a steamer, and then also a scale down on the left. On the right-hand side here, you're gonna have your full golf umbrella and the slippers, ton of hanging storage. But what I love the most are these super comfortable robes. They're fleece and they're kind of like a hoodie, so just a really comfortable and nice touch. Now we're headed into the bathroom. To my right, you're gonna have the toilet, and right in front of me, you have a large double vanity. Underneath, you're gonna have your towels and a little storage. There's also a bench that's gonna come out here so you can sit and get ready. You can also utilize the backlit magnifying mirror or this large mirror here. One of the great perks of the Preferred Club is the upgrades all throughout your entire stay. So this is the amenity kit. It's significantly upgraded because of the category type. And I also like that they have plugs right next to the mirror right there. So now I'm headed into the shower. It is a really large shower. You have a huge rainforest shower head up above, your shower wand, a really nice bench where you can sit and soak or utilize if you need, and then you've got that upgraded amenities right here to the left as well. Now, one unique feature of this shower is, even though it's opaque down below, you've got a view. You can actually look out and take advantage of that beautiful ocean view. So continuing on in, you've got your temperature control on the wall, you've got luggage storage both above and below, and then you have your towels right here with a nice bag, and that's complimentary for Preferred Club guests. You can take that with you. Now, on the right side of the bed here, you have 2 US plugs and 2 USB plugs. One of the great features of a brand new modern hotel is that they have all the plugs that you could possibly need. Another really great feature is this tablet right here. So you'll be able to utilize this throughout your entire stay. You can use it, basically think of it as replacing the program. You can get information on the spa, on tours. You can also access the dining menus here. But my favorite feature is that you can actually order room service right here on the tablet, and they're gonna deliver it right to the door. You don't even have to call it in. And then they have all the other little features like your alarm and things, and you can also browse the internet. So I did want to mention that this, of course, is a full king-size bed. This exact room category also comes in 2 queens if you have that preference. Now on the other side of the bed, you've got 2 US plugs and 2 USB plugs and all of the light controls. I love that those are next to the bed. You've got the dimmers and all the switches to turn it on and off. You're also gonna have your phone and your remote. Just above the bed, you have a fan. I think that's a great touch. I love having a fan so you always have the air moving, and you have your large flat panel smart TV. Just underneath here, you have a bench that you can sit at, so if you want to utilize this as a small writing desk. And then over here, you're gonna have your mini bar. Now, as part of the Preferred Club, you have some upgraded mini bar amenities as well. You're gonna have your Nespresso maker and the Nespresso pods. You can have those replenished as often as you would like. Now down here, you're gonna have a ton of storage, and then over on this side, you're gonna have the mini bar. So that's set up when you arrive, and you can have that replenished as often as you like throughout your stay. Continuing through the space, you have a couch here. This is also a pull-out bed, so it's gonna make up into a double bed as well. As I step out onto the balcony, I just wanted to point out that these are a pocket door, so you can push that back, push the curtains back, and really have a great indoor-outdoor experience. On the balcony itself, you've got a nice table with 2 chairs, perfect for morning breakfast from room service, a coffee, or even a cocktail in the evening. You also have this really unique, comfy beanbag lounger right here. But what this category is all about is the plunge pool. So it's unique to have a plunge pool up this high, but what's so great about that is that you take in these incredible views. So if you want to cool off in the morning or cool off in the evening, don't want to head all the way down to the pool or up to the pool, this is that perfect place to cool off. And it even has a large bench right here so you can sit and take advantage of the views. So when you're ready to book this beautiful category or any room at Secrets or Dreams Resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We have a phenomenal relationship with AM Resorts. We know the products inside and out, and we know that we can help collaborate to create the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends and family at an incredible value.